strobe and the camera go pop, 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 pop. Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas number 3. Okay, number 3. So today is Sunday. Today is Sunday, the 3rd of December. Okay, so that's crazy. So today is the 3rd of December, and today's Vlogmas is gonna be a maintenance day. Okay, because every month I do my own maintenance, so because I'm on deployment. So we're gonna start this monthly maintenance day by taking a shower. I'm not working out today because I'm still recovering from the so I'm gonna use the volume I'm gonna be using, and I'll be exfoliating with this brush. I'm getting a new brush soon, so I'm getting a new exfoliant soon, which is great. So I'll be using those two for my shower. So for my face time routine, I went with the panoxyl benzoyl peroxide 10% wash. I've been using benzoyl peroxide for a few months now, and it's actually been working pretty good with my acne and all. And it's winter time, so I haven't had a lot of breakouts, so which is great. So after I wash my face, I'm going with the Dermalogica exfoliant powder. I've been using that actually for quite a while now. I've been riding that little simple bottle because I had 2 of them. Please buy me the full great. Both of those bottle of the exfoliant from Dermalogica. I will love you so much. Then I went in with the Cerave PM moisturizer. I use that PM moisturizer day and night because all other moisturizer I've used during daytime, like sunscreen with the sunscreen and everything else, break me out. And I've been using that for the past few months, like day and night, and it's been working just fine. And my skin is so sensitive that I can't use a lot of products in it, so that's why I just use those 3 products, and that's all. And for my body care, I went with the Nivea sensitive lotion. Oh, and I just went out all over my body with it. So next I'm gonna be using this foot mask that I got yesterday. Yo, tell me how. I haven't had a pedicure in like 3 months. September, October, November, December. About 3 months, y'all. And it's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault. But I'm gonna use this pedicure mainly because it's cold outside and I'm not getting a pedicure for no reason. So I'm just gonna do it myself, okay? So I'll be using this. This is supposed to be on for 90 to 120 minutes. So I'm gonna do that first and then dress and finishing it up. Do the rest of the thing for my minutes. Look how big this thing is. It's like so huge. Look at it. But I'm gonna put this on and then continue my pregnancy. Yeah, the struggle is real now because this thing doesn't. I'm just gonna use the socks for it. This is not like the one I put before. Maybe I shouldn't put it all the way. Yeah. While I have the foot mask on, I'm gonna do my Brazilian quickly since I've been doing my own now since my roommate's not here. So I'm gonna try to wash it before she get back. But the door is locked, so we'll see. Let's see how quick I do it. Cause I put a timer on for 2 hours. Hopefully she's not back. Within that 2 hours. We'll see for y'all. So I've done my Brazilian, right? And it took me less than an hour to do. I'm getting so good at doing my own Brazilian now, and I'm doing it under 1 hour. It's crazy, but I'm just excited that I'm done with that part. But right now I'm gonna do my armpit. It's so hot. So I'm gonna do my armpit. I'm not gonna do my legs today. And I still have 15 minutes left on that mask on my foot. on my feet. I'm not gonna wash my legs today, y'all, just because I don't feel like wasting. One, like I said, it's cold. I can't see y'all. It's cold and I can't. My leg's not gonna be up anytime soon. Two, I don't feel like doing it right now. I really don't feel like doing it. I was doing my Brazilian. I was like, should I do my legs? And the answer is no. But I only have to do my, what else I have to add to do my armpit? I have to do my armpit. I'm gonna do my nails or my toes. I'm not doing my hand. I'll do my hands whenever I get a 4-day if I get one. But then after that, nope, that's all. My little maintenance day. I'm just so excited that I'm done with my Brazilian. This wax dried quickly, so. I like doing my own wax now. It's getting so easier and easier and easier and less painful. Still painful, but not as much as before. Still painful, just not as much. But yeah, yippee. And this is, I think it's a month growth for my armpit and my Brazilian wax. So I'm probably like going to a month. I don't even think it's a full month yet. So yeah. I can never do like a fucking late thing. That's always been my struggle. Always my struggle. Okay, it's gonna be my last painful one. Still painful, y'all. It's not as much, but it still hurt. Especially when you do it yourself and you know it's gonna hurt. Just the thought of hurting yourself. I should have put some what should go powder in there. I let this one dry too long. Okay, this one actually hurt. This one actually hurt though. I think this one be hurting because I'm pulling their hair in the wrong direction. I'm pretty sure this hair grows this way while this one grows this way. And then I always do this one this way. And result it being more painful. Okay, I'm gonna do a cleanup strip. But this is it on the first one, which is great actually. This is this on the first one. So I'm gonna do a little cleanup strip and then yeah, do my nail. Yeah, first on the cleanup strip for this one. Why does this one have technical difficulty? Easy peasy. Just a little bit of hair, just a little bit. So I'm gonna do the other one. So I'm just gonna strip this one. A little bit more hair, but that's it. I am done with waxing. So I'm gonna go with some aloe vera. I did the same thing for my Brazilian. For some moisturizer. I think I've been using the aloe vera for like as a moisturizer. Like after I exfoliate. And I think it's really good. to like, cause I've been using it daily for when I exfoliate and when I need to moisturize my bikini area. But I still have 39 minutes left for the mask of my foot. And the last thing I need to do is my nails, my toes. So since I have time, I'm gonna go get food because I'm hungry. I don't think I had to do with some noodle soup. But it's looking well clean. But I'm gonna go order some pizza, and then hopefully by the time I get it and everything, the timer will be done. And I'm done eating, so. And do my toes, and then that's it for this video. Yeah, that's it for this video. Okay, y'all, I'm back from getting my food, and then I still have 20 minutes left in the timer. It's so cold outside. I had to stand outside the whole time to wait for my food. And my food was just like, my feet was just like freezing. But I got me some food, some pizza. It's like kebab pizza they have here, chicken. And I'm gonna do my toes after I'm done eating. So it's been the 2 hours. I'm done eating. And I'm about to take this off my food. And then I'm trying to do my nails. I'm trying to do my nails. I haven't done nails like alone in like forever. Oh my god, this was so good. But what I was hoping, right? Last time I did this, I had gel nail polish on, and when I took it off, the nail polish was actually came off. But this time, it didn't come off. So I have to file my nails off. Oh. But here are my toes. Y'all see them toes? But this one got cut and then I shipped it already. I just need to take the gel nail polish off. So I just need to take the gel nail polish off. So I'm just gonna let that. I think I'm supposed to rinse it out. I didn't read that part. But I'm just gonna let that dry, right? I'm just gonna let it dry and now rinse it off. I don't know if I'm supposed to anyway. But let me take off this gel nail polish and we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna start my nails. I don't know how much this, but I don't know. It's like today. Today I'm just not in the, best of a mood today. It's weird. Just feel a little bit down. Yeah. I don't have a file or anything. Oh, I have this. That I purchased this one. It's not hard enough. Let's try this one. Because like my thought process was, once I do this mask, the fucking thing was gonna come off. But it's not the case here. And I did not buy the other polish. But let me try to remove this and then come back. I try to take as much as the gel polish as I could. This is how they're looking right now. There's still some left, but I just try to shape it a little bit. Don't mind me, I didn't rinse it out with anything. I did moisturize my foot, my toes though. But some of the white, I'm just tired. I don't have the patience for it. And I'm gonna try to do like a French tape. Trying to do. But, so I'm gonna try to do a French tape. I try to shape it as much as I could. And I cut it and everything. But like I said, I don't have a lot of stuff. So whatever I showed y'all, that's what I have. I have this, which is not good. I have this is also not good. And my cuticle cutters and some my tissue come. My clippers. And that's it. That's all I have. And I'm gonna try to do a French tip, okay? I haven't done my nails, like I said, in years. I've always been getting my nails done for a while now, so I'm just gonna go with some tape, just some medical tape, because that's all I have. Not to do too much of it. This seems like a lot. And I had some white nail polish yesterday at the mall. And some top coat. That's literally all I have. So this is 8. Before the top coat, y'all. This is my nails. It's a little thick. Like the little French tip is a little thick. But I don't care. Like I say, y'all, it's cold and nobody gonna see my toes. My toes not gonna be outside. I ain't gonna wear no shoes. No sandals. I'm wearing shoes. But this was just for my entertainment. I'm gonna show y'all after how it look like. I feel like the big toes, you know, it's not too bad. It's just not 8. You know, it's not 8. But it's whatever. This is 8 with the top coat. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. It looked doable for, you know, me doing it myself, right? I think so, but hello, dolls. This is it for Christmas. Not Christmas. This is it for Vlogmas Day 3. So all I did today. Oh, actually, I cleaned my room today. I swept, I mopped, I packed my entry bag. I packed my stuff. Then, you know, a little get ready with Maintenance Day that I did. That's about it. I didn't do much. I didn't go out, y'all. It's cold. It was snowing today. It's cold outside. I am not going outside today. People asked me to go out, but I don't want to go out. But this is it for this Vlogmas. If you made it here, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Okay, thank you very much. And I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next video. Bye.